In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a business on LegalZoom. Whether you're wrapping up a business venture, consolidating your efforts, or simply moving on to new opportunities, closing a business is a significant step. LegalZoom makes this process straightforward, but it's important to understand each part of the journey to ensure a smooth transition. So let's dive in and walk through the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to start by logging into your LegalZoom account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your LegalZoom homepage. This is your central hub for managing all of your business documents and services. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page if you haven't already. You can typically find options to manage your subscriptions, view your legal documents, and access guidance on various legal services. Next, you need to locate the option to start closing your business. Interestingly, this journey begins by clicking on Start My Will. While this might seem unrelated, it's a necessary step that will lead you to the right path for closing your business. Click on this option to proceed further. Keep in mind, LegalZoom's interface is designed to connect various legal processes, so this step is part of streamlining the service offerings. As you move forward, it's crucial to note that closing a business on LegalZoom is a service available only to those with a paid subscription. If you're not already a subscriber, you'll need to consider upgrading your account to gain access to the necessary tools and support to properly close your business. LegalZoom's paid plans not only allow you to close a business, but also offer a wealth of resources that can be invaluable during this process, such as consultations with legal experts and access to additional documentation and support. LegalZoom provides comprehensive guidance and support throughout the business closure process, ensuring you're equipped with all the necessary information and assistance. Once you have access, follow the prompts provided by LegalZoom, which will guide you through the remaining steps specific to your business structure and needs. These prompts are designed to be user-friendly, making the process as seamless as possible. In conclusion, while closing a business can seem daunting, LegalZoom simplifies the process with clear instructions and dedicated support. Remember to ensure your subscription is up to date to access these features. With everything in place, you'll be able to efficiently manage the closure of your business and move forward with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to LegalZoom's support team for personalized help.